guys. It's been a while since we've done a little video enjoying me time out, but the loft conversion is now finished. It was finished a few weeks ago, but we thought we'd let the clients settle in, get rid of all the builders, get rid of all the skips, and just enjoy their nice new home. See how everything's all running, make sure everything's working as it should be, which it is. So they've invited us back and allowed us to do a little video. So I thought I'd take you around and share the costs on it. So follow me. This was the third bedroom. Unfortunately, it was too small to salvage. So we've gone from a 3-bed to a 3-bed, but obviously we've made it a lot bigger. So rather than trying to be too clever and cram too much in, we just left it as an open space. Can obviously utilise, you've got more storage under the stairs, potentially a little desk for the youngsters as they're getting older, something like that, but it just makes it really bright, really spacious. So let's take a look upstairs. New staircase, all lovely. We've got some nice lighting. We've got a down light on that side and a spotlight this side. If you have a look around there, we've got a nice 𝐸𝐸 window, which is a great little feature on anything like this, just adding loads of natural light. Doors, matching doors. So we've done the first floor and the loft conversion. As a loft conversion under building regulations, you do need to replace every door for fire doors. So we've done the top floor and the first floor at this phase, and then we'll tackle the ground floor when we do the side extension. So this is the main area. We've got a designer rad as you walk in. The clients have been in there for a few weeks now, so obviously they've dressed the room, made it all look nice. So this is the main area, which is a very large, nice new space. We've got a super king size bed in here. The client's got a little coffee station set up, which is a nice little touch. A couple of 𝐸𝐸 windows. So if you take a look at the view from here, we kept them nice and high to try and cut out the road area, to sort of make you feel like you're not on a built up area in Essex. Same sort of thing over the back, so overlooking the stables and the fields is quite a nice touch. We've got the entertainment wall, which you very rarely see in a bedroom. It sort of made sense really as a bit of a variation. We had to build a stud wall anyway, so really extra cost was build 2 stud walls, a couple of little recesses. So we've got a nice big telly in there. CCTV is housed in the eave storage in there below, and that's got Cat 6 cables running, or HDMI cables running to the TV, and the TV's got network cables Cat 6 running down to the router, so hardwired in, which is great. We've also got a loft in the loft up there. We've got about 1 metre high storage and about 5 metres across. Spotlights, just wanted to show you these. They're all in, but I've left this one down. Basically you can change it from warm white to cool white just with a click of the button. I'll show you that shortly, and you can also change the wattage, whether depending on how bright you want it. So that's from warm white to cool white, like so. Wait. High spec, very high spec in this bathroom. All the tiles are high spec. Tanking in the hotspot areas, so we've got the shower areas all tanked, the floors tanked and all waterproof. When you're on the first floor or second floor, it's quite important that you do tank the areas, because you don't want to risk any damage downstairs. So we've got a nice wall hung sink unit with a brushed gold, which is very on trend. Soft closed drawers. We have an under unit lighting, an LED strip and spotlights. They're the same lights as before. That's one of the main reasons it's good to use them, because this is a lighted mirror, LED mirror. But if you're not sure what mirror the client's having, if it's cool white, warm white, that gives them the flexibility to choose between the two and get it nice and bang on. Concealed cistern in the toilet with a nice flush plate, soft closed toilet, and a gold matching towel roll, nice and big, so you can comfortably get 2 towels on that. We've got a low profile shower tray, 25mm. And what we've done is put the taps on this side. Let me get in here. What that means is I can turn that shower on from here and I don't get wet, which is a nice little feature. So you've got the shower head and also the rinser. I'll put that on low, just so it don't squirt everywhere. And we didn't need to put any tile niches in here. We could have done potentially, but you had pipe work in the way, so we just utilised that window and made a little bit of a feature out of it. So that is everything in this bathroom. Lastly, I'll share the cost with you, as I said I would. Something like this, higher spec. So we've got a grand total of 109,265.67. You got labour 41,414, material 29,622, profit 15,176 plus the VAT 18,210. Right guys, that's it from me. Take care and I'll see you on the next one.